Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a hat. Let's go to the tutorial.
We will need glue, a pencil, eraser, compass, and scissors. First, we will make a half circle and then, with the same center, a larger circle. Now, with the bottom part of the cardboard, we repeat the process but with a different center. With the ruler, we draw a straight line in the center and two others at the ends to form a trapezoid. Let's cut. Now, in the middle of the two circles, we draw a triangle at the top and bottom. Then, we cut the triangles that were left with the base down. In the inner half circles, we make half cuts. Now, we fold the bottom triangles inwards and the top triangles outwards. Now, we put glue on the ends. Now, we draw on the top of the heads. Let's cut some glue, and now we see the diameter of our base, and with the compass we make a circle, taking into account the measurements. With the same center, a larger circle. We did two of them. Let's glue, and our hat is done. Now just decorate it how I like. Bye!